burner roll back when the fan comes on. Yeah. The air is blowing the flames back out. Pretty cool, I haven't seen that before. Start it up again and watch it again. This is on a horizontal Rheem furnace. The board was bad. You got some evidence right there of burning. So I wanted to check it. I couldn't do that until I got it fired up. So I replaced the board and now everything's working again. So watch the glow coil come on. And then the burners will come on and you'll see it's burning correctly, blowing into the furnace until the fan kicks on and it just blows the flames all over the place because there's a hole in the firebox blowing back into the burner area. Not good. Need to replace the furnace like I told him to in the first place. Okay, that's normal burners. Shooting straight into the firebox. See it? Yeah, there it goes. The glow coil's really bright. And watch how they're just erratic. Great, huh? Gotta replace.